Hi there, my name is Vince Haralabidis, and in this video we will work together an example of a system of 2 by 2, meaning two linear equations with two unknowns, in which distributive property should be applied first. And why is that? Because either we will try to solve the system by the substitution method or by the elimination method. We have said in our videos that one of the most important steps of each methodology is to bring first each equation into standard form. And remember that by standard form, we mean the forms ax plus, let me write that here, standard form ax plus by equals c. So this is exactly what I'm going to do. Let me begin with green on the first one. So I should do distributions. 3 times x is 3x plus 3 minus 2y minus 10 equals negative 8, which means 3x minus 2y should be minus 8 minus 3 plus 10. So 3x minus 2y is minus 1. And that should be called equation number 1. Now let me change the color and let me apply the same approach on the second one. 2 times 3x is 6x minus 2 plus 10 minus 5y equals 4. So 6x minus 5y should be equal to 4 plus 2 minus 10, which means that 6x minus 5y should be equal to negative 4. And this one should be named by 2. This means that the originally given system of equations can now be expressed in the form of this pair of equivalent equations. 6x minus 5y equals negative 4. Now, since the exercise did not specify the exact method that needs to be followed, it's totally up to us. What I would suggest, in order to avoid creating fractions on this early stage, I would have preferred following the elimination method, under which I will begin by having them named like that. Let me eliminate the x's. So if the coefficient of x on the first one is 3, this means I should multiply this by 3. And since the coefficient of x on the second one is 6, this means that I should multiply the first one by 6. Multiplication means horizontal one. So each term of each line should be multiplied by the corresponding value of number. So the first one should be multiplied by 6, which means 3x times 6 is 18. Oh, sorry about this. So it should be, let me see what happened. It should be, Okay, sorry for that, problem solved. Now I should, where was I? I should multiply the first one by 6. So 18x minus 12y is negative 6. And the second one should be multiplied by 3. So 18x again minus 15y equals negative 12. Remember that this is a good checker, a good checkpoint, that things are working well. I chose to eliminate x at this point. I should have had the x's being equal. They are. And right now, I'm going to multiply the second one by negative 1. So I'm going to keep the first one exactly as it is, equals -6. And on the second one, I should change the signs. So this is going to be minus 18x plus 15y equals 12. Then I should add them vertically, and this addition will cause the x's to be cancelled out. So it's going to be 0x minus 12y plus 15y is 3y is 6, which means that y should be 2. For y equals 2, I should go in any equation I want. Let me go to the first one. 3x minus 2y equals -1 shall become 3x minus 2 times 2 equals -1. So 3x minus 4 equals -1. So 3x is 4 minus 1. So 3x is 3, which means that x is equal to 1. And finally, the solution to that given system is 1, 2. Remember, what did I do here? I simply began by bringing my given equations into standard forms. And then I decided which methodology to follow. I properly applied it, and that was all. I hope this video really helped you to feel safer, to feel more confident. It's no big deal. We simply apply distributive property, and then accordingly, we either apply elimination or substitution. In case, however, you still have issues, you still have things that you don't quite understand, please put them in the comment section as a comment, and I'll make sure to respond back as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see ourselves again in one of the following. Have a great day.